Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, Rifki here. So in this video we are going to make a register page. Okay, so this is the register page. Here we have uh, the form, username, email, and the password, and the register and the button. Then the background here we use GIF. GIF. For that we use GIF. Alright, so I'll show you the source code. You go to React file and page out and then register. Okay, right here. So in our register page, we're going to use Formic. Formic is for it's a plugin for to make uh, form, and Nuke it's for the form uh, form validation. Okay, just so for the form, here we use form from Reactstrap. Okay, let's find it. Go to this. Okay, here we use from the Reactstrap. Okay, let's find the form right here. Input. For the input here, we use uh, here this one. Right, so just copy the code right here and then copy into your project. Okay, let's scan first. Okay, here there are uh, the title. This is the container. This is the title, and then the input. Here we just copy this thing from Reactstrap, and here is for the validation. So when we put this, the the alert will show. So we'll put it here. So the error message will be show here every time it's the validation is wrong. Okay, so these are the validation. So for the username, uh, this thing is if if it's blank, if you just if you submit it, it will show the username is required, which is mean if you did not not did not write anything in the input, it will show this message. And in username, you cannot uh, can use space. For example, here space uh, space. For example, okay, it will give you this error message. Username should not contain space. For that, the validation for the username and for the email. Oh yeah, wait. If okay, so the validation done. That means uh, it's right. Also for the email, uh, if the input is blank, it will give you this error message. Email is required. So if we just proof key invalid email format, that means we should write the from email format. Okay, good. Okay, now the for the password validation, in password, the password it should be more than 8 character. For example, 123 should more than one character. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So the next validation is the password should contain at least one lowercase. Okay, that's A. Now it needs to at least one uppercase. Okay, A. Okay, that's that's for the validation for the password. To make the validation, we use this plugin Yup. To install the Yup, just install it by using npm install Yup. And for the formic, just in terminal, just write npm install formic. Form and Yup is for the to make the form validation. And Axios is for the it's used for console API here. So this mean code here mean if uh, if we already make if we if we are already if the register is success, it will so the so this will bring us to the login page to login our account. All right. So I think that's all. So the point is this is the username input for the username inside the from group. So this is for the username, and this is for the email, and this is for the password. Okay, I think that's all for today. See you next in the next video. Bye. See you soon.